You can also go to Insert and press on Header and Footer to insert a header or footer in a more visual way. Right there. You can change page setup, which means you can change whether you want your sheet to be printed vertically or horizontally. Go to Page Layout like before, press this little icon, go to Page, we should automatically end up there, and choose between Portrait or Landscape. Portrait is vertical and Landscape is horizontal. From there, you can also change other things in page setup. You can fit the stuff in your workbook to fit to a certain number of pages if you're going to print it. To see what it looks like before you print it, you can print preview. I showed this to you before. What that does is that it shows you what your paper would look like before you print it. Now it's time for some basic formulas. The first formula I am going to teach you is the sum formula. If you want a cell to display a sum of two or more other cells, type equal sum, open parentheses, and then select the range of cells you want the sum of, like that. Then put in the closing parentheses after the text that appears. That text is the name of the range you had selected. Press enter, and in the cell you type the formula, a number will appear. That is the sum of the range of the cells you selected. In this case 5, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. If you change the values of the cells you selected, the sum will change too. If I change this to 10 and press enter, the sum will change too. This button for AutoSum in the Home tab right here will fill in the sum formula automatically, but you should check it before you press enter. You can also subtract the value of one cell from another. Go to the cell you want the difference to appear in. Type equal, press on the cell you want to subtract from. Type a hyphen, then select the cell with the value you want to subtract. Press enter, and the value of the difference should appear. 2000 minus 1000 is 1000. Just like in sum, if you change the value of the two cells you selected, the difference should also change. If I change 2000 to 3000, the difference has changed because 3000 minus 1000 is 2000. The multiplication formula is very similar to the subtraction one. Put in an equal, select one of the cells you want to multiply, type in a star for times, and then continue to do that with all the cells you wanted to multiply the values of. Then press enter. 2 times 3 is 6. The product has appeared in the cell I typed the formula in. Division also has a formula. Type in an equal, press the cell with the dividend, put in a slash, and then select the cell with the divisor. Press enter. 18 divided by 3 is 6. The quotient has appeared in the cell I typed the formula in.